Hi guys, welcome to Salt Pages YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see how to export the table data from one server to another server. So node 1 is my one server and I'm connecting another server, that is a node 2. See, there is AdventureWorks database. Here we have a lot of tables. So in node 2 I don't have any other databases. I have only one database here, and I have couple of databases in that, couple of tables in that. So let me select any one of the table. Let's select database log. Let me see what exactly the data it is having. Select start from database log. See, there is some data which is having 1596 rows of data the table is having. So this table we want to export the data to another server. So let's start the process. So right click on the database, tasks, and select export the data. Click on next. So you have to select the data source. So select the data source as a SQL Server native client, and then select the source server. So node 1 is my node source server, and we have to select the database where our table is exist. So I'm selecting AdventureWorks 2017. You can continue with the Windows authentication. If you want to use the SQL authentication, you can use it as well. I'm click on next, and you have to select the destination source as a SQL native client as well, and then you have to select the destination server where you want to move this data. Node 2. Now click on refresh. It will show you the database list in the destination server. So you can move this table to this whatever the database is available in the destination server, or else you can create a new database as well. Let's create a new database. AD Adventure Works 2017. So I'm just creating a new database here. Okay, I'm just clicking on next. Copy tables from one or more tables or views. So select this option and click on next. Now you have to select the table which you want to move to. So I'm selecting, so you can select one or more than one table as well. You can select multiple tables and you can move them. So I'm selecting these two tables, and if you go to the edit mappings, you can change some of the values here. You can change the data type of the column, or else if the particular table is already existing in the destination, you can drop and recreate this table. So you can select one of these options if you want to, or else you can leave them. So I have selected the tables and I'm clicking on next. So select run immediately, and click on next and finish. And you can see the percentage of it and number of rows transferred. So you can close it and you can check on the destination server. Just click on refresh. There is a database created, and the tables, only the two tables are there. You can check the number of rows. Select start from. See, 1596 rows affected. So you can also do it from the destination server as well, but you have to select import option instead of export. You can also see that as well. Just go to the tasks and select import instead of export, because we are doing it from the destination server. So select the source as a native client, and the server name you have to give the source server, Now the source server is sorry. Now the source server is node 2. So select the database, click on next, and the destination server as a native client. So now the destination server is node 1. So refresh it and you can see the list of databases that the destination server has. So just clicking on Jane is my destination database. Click on next. So only 2 tables are available. Select 2 tables. Next and run immediately. So you can validate the same. Go to the Jane database. Sorry, I have selected Christian, right? Give me a minute. See the database log. What is the other one I have selected? Error log. So if you want to make sure that the database, the tables are created now, you can go to the properties and you can see the table created it. Just now it is created. You can just go to the properties and you can see here. Okay, if you can see other tables, the data is different. So these 2 tables are created just now. So in this way you can use this import and export options to transfer the data from one server to another server. Thank you so much.